Welcome back to Car Recap Hub, where luxury meets performance. The all-new 2025 Infiniti QX80 has officially arrived, and it's bringing a revolution under the hood. Say goodbye to the old V8, and hello to twin-turbo power. Infiniti has officially revealed the next-generation QX80, the luxurious twin of the Nissan Patrol, and it's packed with big changes. Under the hood, a brand new 3.5-liter twin-turbo petrol V6 replaces the outgoing 5.6-liter naturally aspirated V8. The new engine delivers 335 kilowatts, that's a powerful 37 kilowatts more than the V8 it replaces. Torque is also up by 138 Nm, now peaking at 698 Nm, making it quicker and more responsive. Compared to the Land Cruiser 300 twin-turbo diesel, the QX80 offers 108 kilowatts more power, though it trails by just 2 Nm in torque. The Lexus LX600, on the other hand, falls behind, with 30 kilowatts less power and 50 Nm less torque. Power is now handled by a new 9-speed torque converter automatic, replacing the older 7-speed unit. With wider gear ratios, you get improved acceleration and fuel economy, translating into smoother, sharper performance. The engine is codenamed VR35DDT, an upgraded version of the VR30DDTT found in the Nissan Z sports car. Infiniti also adds adaptive air suspension and a more rigid body for a quieter, smoother ride. Inspired by the QX monograph concept teased in mid-2023, the new QX80 previews the future Y63 Nissan Patrol, expected to hit Australian roads by 2025. Spy shots suggest the Patrol will feature larger headlights and traditional door handles, while the QX80 goes futuristic with slimmer lights and hidden handles. A prototype shown to US dealers hints at a bold, Range Rover-inspired design, with fully redesigned headlights, taillights, and an entirely modern cabin. The 2025 Infiniti QX80 will make its global debut on March 21, Aussie time, just before the New York Auto Show, with the new Nissan Patrol also expected to follow shortly after. Stay tuned, because the luxury SUV game is about to change.